You searched how to buy shares of Pantages Capital Acquisition Corp. Pantages is a special-purpose acquisition company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PGAC, and this guide is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To proceed, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PGAC to find the listing. Select the entry that shows Pantages Capital Acquisition Corp. to ensure you open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the right security. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker PGAC on the page. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it can complete the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio view. Find the eToro link and further information in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.